50% of the money for me. I can't come out empty-handed. People will say, you not try. Oh, why you go get ya live a life, ya day for him to ya wanna. And me where if it really possible. So I know if you say Atene not see the gain for Osakpolor because you see they use them for content and many things with the see and they do everything together. But if suppose you do something valuable for that, but like service now, they DM you see for his side. But for the rest things, we don't say maybe Atene not try.
Osakpolor tell you now. What does Osakpolor tell you now when you take come up for Atene house?
What he just tell me, he say according to what you talk, you cannot really see now two things that tell me. He say one, he tell Atene say he want me papa they stay with him for there. Say Atene no, he not tell him now cause where go unu no hamu we now or they two to go where one na. You know, ma make sense. Who were to wa nu mwera kegbe. Maybe for the cook for your power, any you want your stay doing, don't go be one. Number one, I say then number two, this one they talk say Atene not stay with you before they bury your papa for your career or anything. I say the same they ever really talk and say that guy na is some guy, not be even being and he's out there. So apart from that one, not be your family. You not even suppose your candidate for all the whole activities before you go your finish. You know you're supposed to really date there before the whole activities go finish. Say it don't bring you con. You see try you see do you see try. Many people not go do what he do. Let me say na mouth. Many people not go do am. Okay, na not go down and tell matter.
God bless you, my brother. Okay, wait, okay. One by one. Wait to man, not rush one by one. I'm gonna ask this question. Now, see everything where you talk now. I don't say for comment section now they accuse the brother say the other brother don't sabi talk. Say this was sabi talk.
If maybe you talk my own. You know, as this brother say talk so now, you know girl go cause am. Now words of wisdom that this brother don't talk. Everything that when you talk and don't conclude. Nobody want me that other of the brother they talk to.
No, you know where this my brother they talk like this, eh? I know say this life, you still get the reason why we talk like because when I communicate with Atene, but so waiting you see follow Atene. So maybe Atene no hold on strong because not be only one.
They call her Morocco. They call her Morocco.
You look comment, not look comment.
Not they look comment section. Comment section not me anything.
That's why they call her Morocco. I see Morocco for ya.
Nah,
well, like comment section. Yeah, anything. And others are not really me. The problem you be say. My put on true for here. You see this, my bro. So they try help. Where another one see day, some see day where they follow our back. You see they want to destroy. You know, say for this life, people don't really like to see you shine. People they will not see like to see you shine. It they be like that. Because me know say some of our family, if Atene say me really talk, some of our family, I know say apart from us, some of our family see them when we go down see Atene talk another useless or reasonable things we will never still know. Share the same so we not think like this my bros now he try support Papa Osakpolor he help am well even the Osakpolor himself everybody try one city still help am but the boy not just me they talk am any of una for here if Osakpolor do it now before 1 year if he not run leave you know say the native doctor wey do am well he go run.
That means you are telling us now say Osakpolor still run lead this brother where they with so.
He go see me not the data, I not the fear that I just me by myself already they see and say one day not get even though you give her the best money, give everything when they fair. The thing they come here, they come here.
Osakpolor na special child, so they behave now.
So they come here. Imagine,
bros, you know so that your brother na special child.
Yes, no, better one.
Okay, special child, you get the way they do this now.
Never be the matter so.
You know, use your brain take up your brain.
Atene say he try. Who Osakpolor when if you take Osakpolor for ourselves, Osakpolor no wrong.
Where Atene try even though na
they follow Atene do that make it fit stay with Atene. All those small content where they say that they post that make am fit stay.
So me, wetin I be one made the be evil you still do because this my bros were there so he talk on day for yesterday before he come already talk for last stream. You talk on day for yesterday. Now wetin we still talk? Wetin will be one made the evil do like this? Because now the Osakpolor everything come dey done. We dey try one evil carry and go back before may go meet Atene. May they write agreement for am. Anything when you do for them, may you just do and may deal with Atene, may follow. But he not agree come see better thing tell us. He go dey say he not dey go. He not dey go.
Okay,
let me tell you ask Atene do you bad? He say Atene not you not doing bad. Okay, why you not want to go back?
One by one. Bros,
don't let me ask you one question. You see the way that one made you talk just now, eh? Say they cannot go back to Atene. It's not going to be possible again because of since you say it deal with this whether I white thing, I don't know this
our brother, I deal with one of our brother.
the video where that bros first do when Osakpolor go meet that your bros, so the video when first do condemn many things.
Now make me tell them that difference. They say me drop that video because that video don't make sense.
When do it condemn everything. If I tell carry that boy again, that means now I first go that time for Grand for station.
The way it would be now, even if the Atene carry or you know carry, because you know say just be like a midday now, you be like picking now, you ask picking say which work you want to do. You ask am say which work you want to do. He go tell you say na mechanic I like to learn or na tailor I like to learn. If you cause na mechanic you like to learn, you put on there. If you not come put it for the mechanic, you want to dey wave your head up and down, you leave one. May say I left be.
I don't read that like say now wetin you tell am, now you go just put for man.
That kind of thing.
That's enough bros. So that's enough bros. So the way wetin don talk Osakpolor, no, now Osakpolor dey talk for social media. Even that video where you talk, when I even look and we say it Atene say me go stay with your papa, Atene not gree. Then the other one it Atene say where he dey stay, so me papa consider follow and stay. Even me first laugh for that video when I even see am. He say Atene not obeying. Say it Atene say me where he dey stay, so me papa come dey follow and stay. Say but Atene not obeying. Even myself, I shocked for that video.
Bro, the main matter where they say my bros for not post that video. Now dear me your like this.
That video so that was spoil.
For not post that video. And another thing
when the thing start now, cause they shook man, they put like they insult Atene.
This one remind me again. This one remind me again. They say wetin make that my bros still para come be after they bury Papa Osakpolor finish. Atene come call Osakpolor say how far they come ask as they don't bury Papa Osakpolor finish. Now my bros come say Osakpolor come start to the ready say they go. I come say Osakpolor they sell am for Atene. Abi na still this family dey.
Wait, mama boy be this one. Like mama boy want to talk to you. Mama boy I greet you.
Eh baba domo sa.
Pato.
Waya wa bota wa domo wala wa ya
mama
brother wa
I want to Osakpolor na nice one Osakpolor brothers.
Gbegbe that 30 minutes in my damn yo say I want a brother na ya.
So abeg Neyata.
Brother wa ma.
Call you la loki.
Eye do pare wa visible la o.
Okay no bo wa ge oba wa ya wa kojo. Ya je do teme na ona re se wa na ebunoro wa gwale no ta pretty ngwa. One ekeni aka gun age. Era me we one no mi ma bu se ege wa bi kori. O mana wesi kobo na mai awoge million ebe
Kakabo.
Osakpolor mo ni ma wa no ogida barake na mesto. Okpeji tale ni ya fe Atene do muena. One awe era hiwu amadekpeti na ya mo yoto ile ledo ma jekpeti mo yin yoto ri beria aunere Osakpolor ere ya mo yin yoto be otonedo wa opon no fo a ya mo yin yoto te ana be temo pa ege we amazete mweje moshwari amawo ya ege ne devedo o ma ga wu o ga son ja wu ason be the next day aberi ebi edo ta megbede ni ado iriyan ra awaje we na wa gbejo ekun jam wejo to ni ya ma pege we na wa gbewe ni jo ekun ni awa ya wa ne awa we me dopa awa enu Osakpolor wa la yen orure pe no je na ma ye ra wa mo to ekan o mi ni je ro uru number 1 brother man wa gwan si brother uwe Atene o Mario Osakpolor ge family wa we wa keke ugbe wa yin newe o money gwa Atene wa ge keke no bo Atene ga yo wa obi me wese ma ege obi magwe ma ga gwa lo ami o leyin ogware wese obi me no na ti gwi magdaji imagi egu wo gwe na yebe azedia so wa do amima uda awo monomoniki
Very versatile.
Atene keke no ri eguwa wuwa yin newe omone di ogwaja no ogwado mi wa no eti daji upu wa no wari epo no wari ogwa ni wa we obi me na wese ma ege ma bi obi maji then ina be mi video pa ni awun na tete ya di omona ga ri gwe ni na ri gogie na du na ri gogie and I do so, and I go gear, and I do so. Anybody no request on. Sorry. Anybody no request. Oh, I mean, I'm bad.
One man. When matter when I know,
God, yeah, sorry.
now do me with the day to le matter na baba wala. Why get the day you talk?
Oh, what are you waiting?
Why get the day you talk? Eh? Now do me matter Osakpolor of it to get the day wala.
Over the get
The play one more. Osakpolor, what's
come on, no request. Oh, I mean, I'm bad. Who is going to be no? Oh, my yeah, the person no try because he go back again. I can bug at your game on Loadooh.
No way.
I can bug at your game on Loadooh. When I get me go my regwe, I do me go and me do a bear. If no ma, if ni ma day you say, you understand? Osakpolor when my beg the video. Oh, I'm a Russo, no sue, no cock me.
Kakabo, he did because mama no ga live and may ya beg video.
Very honest, so you come here. What you mean? I mean, no boy, bone, eggy, or here. If you no see it, you will not care. Biani, egani. So, kwa, one egg bena, you can why me work a cabo. Why egg batted, yes, say.
Awa, agbe yes awa, why ya?
My brother, I'm not my winner. It's a weekend, no one get have me. Oh, okay, why give my dear cook home? Ruda, ọtún no rigwe na e video so no Osakpolor e ko ri me wa stop a brother ni wa we nega ijo Osakpolor we gba video ni
okay yeah
of the matter and moreover in your platform be na ni aga zigo no Osakpolor then e meso na be time where Osakpolor manaki account yes, zigo, yama only go ni live voice message.
Very good.
Brother, why again you go now or you say
yes.
So I be guijo ni agwe eri atete maki akati ne eri atete jawe is a drama joja we ni otungwa na ni obeja we na mami me senior iye ni go ni answer the account ni be na ni e ti ri baro calculate better dey there at the listing in case akwe Osakpolor abi do ture na do me where I don't live any because see my tie body family wa ban when me social media yeah you are yeah you read with full force you know be any to na la ho wa ege Osakpolor na e me na wa ege sie zoni wa if egbe na wa tete no da no me wa go say ege ma bi kori and wa ege mo na wa atete wa ege akie gbejo ko ni ja mi bon okie gbe oye na me we ese na no una ese no balue no because e ma so ka Atene manasi we uga bego Osakpolor ami ga po an ero igbe ebe o mo no gwalupo no ma mi ejo bo batete ekena na u anae e do na wa wa ya we si wa bidam yo
call you we say ye
oje
wa bere ni even ye boy ya gwan yo
yes
wa gba tete ye se wa bere we atete ya be me ya ge mata na Osakpolor mana lu enwa Osakpolor no re ma deno
well now this one they try and make everybody know say me agba tete so that boy ni o me no ya dey but they don't know why I'm here
Otion of a gwena e ya do sila de ma ho
that kind of thing. So now make me the talk on even that account where you see talk just now wetin me see support me get your account ni how go your name then agba like advanced person no it ya control ne
pardon please when you no see any Osakpolor na wo when video ni ne atete wo be go orange village you understand when man no rigo na daji ni ya do very go niji e man ni ori and man ni wu you understand you go osini ogbere ere
okay omaro no teriye be na Osakpolor village
yes he did
yes e man ni owu ni e man ni owu you understand osini so oya ogbere Osakpolor iye me very o you understand
And another thing, I tell you, trend, I mean, when Osakpolor we do, a brother when I know him now. Of a trend, we have many people see try carry that mark complete, but the main fact be say they be even try give the mark comfort like, but you say enough fit stay. He need village like when you fit the waka go dey greet his friends, all those kind. You know how they do all those people don't they advance. Say enough fit stay one place. Now make it can still go back all those kind. But the main problem with they be say none of the children want follow and stay village. Osakpolor now no one see stay. Osakpolor itself now they run. So the thing come hard and nobody there around. Everybody now don't they busy. No like the family now one family be say that don't even know nobody they jobless. It come hard.
Bro, you see what team Mama Boy talk just now?
Yes.
Same one call down our brother. May not use Osakpolor they do that content. Where the content they sort Atene.
Now make me say that video where they do there for yesterday. I don't even tell them my brother, may drop that video. That video not really make sense. Me myself not like the video because they can not go down at time. I know my boy me you. I know a baby you not come up. I go the verse put. I not go like I not go like I not there people. My brother supposed drop that video, that very video. When Osakpolor even tell they say in the verse or Atene. Now even fit put in and papa for you because now inside that video that thing they supposed to delete that video not make sense. Supposed to delete that video and me will see call on tomorrow morning. So maybe they drop that video. That video not really make sense. I miss this. So the person will just see travel where.
So bro, you see the way they talk. So you talk. Everybody they chop with you they talk. So you still tell that bro, I say may see you sense because you don't the way you tell they talk it's like you get wisdom. You understand me? So if you look the way they put this in order, you'll see tell that your bro say, is this matter now? You know the way Osakpolor be. Not go feel say maybe all the money. You see the way they say they sell you money now. Tomorrow Osakpolor physically come and say the money where they sell for you, you don't see anyone.
That kind of thing. I made this my bros with there. So ask them there first. They say, Osakpolor, what till you can't do for us? Who carry you can't ask? Who say you may you can't ask?
Eddie,
We don't say that.
Eddie, don't please. You know, say like because of you now I come up, you understand? I don't like all those kind of insults. I get brand, we be say man, I dey try to protect, you understand? I don't want maybe say man because of one or two issue. People come they insult me anyhow. I come here, say man people not they insult family, you understand? So I wonder why they say some people see they continue. Now the same thing when I thought maybe the way I take put on or maybe I don't understand me well. At the same time, when I say my brother see they talk for you now, or people see they write comment, they insult me, they tell me some kind of thing.
Omarokpa ma tie bone a family way, we understand. A life in when I am when a jowa or matters a lot. We understand. Emi so ga run with tab and over provocable yani ana attack you.
If attack, a mommy attack, you know, provoking man.
Dans yo. Otu we na otun kere na ke do gwan fo ba we mi ron pa no attack because e no ga attack o ga ari ma bi ho ona attack.
Iye Nigeria na me no sunu na. You know what they happen more than me. Now wetin me
Mudia, Matie Bonnet family were ma Omarok Baro, Miami family, Osakpolor, cabe with video Gemina and Atene Medeba. Osakpolena de Vitasa of Osakpoloni, Obi Meno, Obi Maya, no Yawabi Mia, Quedi Elagua, Sakpolo do to me, I wait 2 days in Oriva, Eque. Yabe Viemir no give you are one I live and have spaghetti Yauro Imune. Moariowa is my son. My hair bio akoko biomo. I don't back biomo, my brother. We understand me. Then when we allow ban we mo atete. Or two what do guana or zege a match where you to. We understand. Brother, a brother man or Nigeria try no go le phone about tete no ku no mo urion soto won dog or mo forward. Who call them urion soto we no la o tima you know where era mo ja pito wo bo
Put yourself.
Oh, we don't worry, right? So that. Okay,
You mute, oh, you mute.
Mute
yourself.
Mute yourself. Well, mute.
Yeah, Mama, Osakpolor, I want to ever take off Osakpolor. Atete wano, you understand?
Hey, wano time.
Tieni eba, or tieni eba.
You go around there, Johnny.
You say they talk. You
Mama,
very
the
little. They make
power
up
is that.
We don't thief you. We don't thief you. Now you
Your power no mama, just that.
And of that account you dey use so.
Omagwe unabiti.
Iyara.
Owe da
Oh, iyara.
No, brother Nira, mama. Brother Nira, I'm
Brother Nira, everywhere there. I just tired. Iyara.
Can you see you now? We know now.
Iyara. Iyara.
Now that bro, senior you now.
Hey, talk anyhow.
The man allow go your power no make people just try to see the address. It can happen to anybody tomorrow. So everybody is supposed not to see the address because the family is still weird normally. Nobody go there happy say maybe nobody go there happy say they talk to his family anyhow or his parents anyhow. There go be. He must react no matter what.
Go sleep.
So I beg, no, just try understand. No, try put no try to put this in a good order. Make things for make sense.
Bro, see, wait till I want tell you. Muna try, Muna talk to Atene. You understand? Now, but then I tell Mata, Atene talking about take off a boy. Even though say of a go to you understand? Whatever me, when the boy anyway, you understand? Have a time where you go in Nigoya, not Atene. You understand? Every day I say, when your body may beg, but you wear a gift in that.
If I had a brand new, I don't know.
Wa mutiane don priso inigo amiere ni TikTok na ni make
that TikTok where they give so that one not concern me not really there after that the one with me
bros if you really check not be every time say the same money you visit the person you say na 30,000 or 20,000 or 10,000
normally
every time you open the bank when I make I'm on the other way, but see, everybody open the bank here. I'm on Nigeria.
But in your power, no.
Osakpolor na mutia, Osakpolor na when ya when na ene.
Now wait till I just talk.
When ya kia kantine, because according to interview so na jatete we na bi na no. Osakpolor or me 100,000.
Father Christmas.
We die. Or we go near what that deal, but I don't know where money when you carry come out. What do I say? Or my man. Yes, beggar. So, na kene na katine. I got kiene. When not for ya kiene.
When I get the last video, when not
Mama, if you put the account for Osakpolor now to use and to operate and I be the problem. Nobody to open
because if you operate and they go teach you.
They go teach you.
Don't forget you don't forget EP.
Any number we know for it, they go still use on.
Why go forget EP? Why never forget EP? I take the carriage you carry follow everywhere they go. You don't forget EP.
You don't forget.
May they open for us.
Just give an ATM card. No ATM card. If you need money, that person so go follow and go back.
Bro, so wait, bro, they hear me?
Amani, one year can you withdraw?
They hear me?
I hear you.
That be the problem with this side.
Now Osakpolor go sign. If you like me, use Tom Print to collect money. For that person.
If I'm not going to talk to us, say, may come this matter, your brother later, use Osakpolor till they trade.
I understand.
You hear me? So before you know, or can't do a mail Osakpolor, they insult at it.
You know good, you know.
No, that
In
one.
fact, before you
know,
know, matter
they
for
go
the
do
trade.
that one because
Before you know,
if they do that one are very ungrateful something. Me myself not go dey happy because when you work by my yesterday, you
don't already start today, bro.
Bros, a video
You don't already start today. Man, please, your video, please.
I can't know, but I can't know. Yeah, we go hang out every day. We go hang out every day. We are me all have everybody for worry. Osakpolor ni hey me e guy. Oh, you go hang out every day. Say boy na bata.
Brother.
Oni arubadalo ojino e pedani na Nigeria.
I beg, Mama Lawo. Hey, I saw to it make sense. It never make sense.
Are you correct?
It not make sense.
Understand?
Lawo,
we calm down, understand? Who calm down? Me essa David down. Understand? E man in Nigeria, me trust in you.
Wana
Umele
ma.
kami yana vena gume. Iya kia kantine. Iya kia kantine. Iya ave giomavi. Mama di mama ve yede. No via operate di akanti. You understand?
No, brother
So
Mudia me weja ke we no ma. Ake account. Ake account no Osakpolor. Aga ake account no Osakpolor. Adori etin ejo. Ari etin no ma. O ma ni alu ko do ma ni ke ali ke je ti e ni go fun. Je ke ni ma ke aje. Emi ni me we da yan do bo ke account. Da yan ake account no Osakpolor. Ọgwa service account ari bo ya ari ejo.
The priest, you're leaving now.
Okay, now you be try
tomorrow, yeah.
Where akie
Good night.
me makato kwa na mari etinye bo sie ni emi na alu go no rugbe in Nigeria o sie ni na makati ni mami etinye ni emi na alu go ya so kwa na we bank ile to bomeri o ma understand what niveau. So ana when I do account no pa ido 13 years my brother igbina na je be say or je be say ma and moreover me no better but we a moya ni we musician na ya me another work ni awe atikun because why degbe musician ya je iku so there egbo ma be ni eteje ni me wa mi bu a mechanic yan wa o
Mechanic or furniture.
Or furniture, a mechanic me na
even shoemaker self gone. Shoemaker fit in here.
But man me wa mi no je me je na mechanic yan wi moto fo. Obi o kan no wi moto me yari si me be dem. O ma de jo go bu kan beto wi moto ni. Oh God, dey na we. Obi o kan na wa we na. Yan gbe yin yen ati ma na. Egbe be no Osakpolor wa je na no. Yin ati ona wa re wa be sti and you be ageni ya. Understand me can buy there 5,000 equity egide ke jane e master ge because we no win lama. So we mechanic furniture I mi o ma no go no riejo because when I
contribute do people all over the world, Nigerians all over the world. Now see all these brother now we come out now. This one are Osakpolor brothers. They not side Osakpolor. Now the yes so they not.
Well, give me see. May they see open TikTok account for Osakpolor. May they help on the builder. May they not use their account to carry Osakpolor. Yeah, TikTok account in Osakpolor.
This sweet mommy.
La wo boy brother Gina do ha when see Osakpolor. Brother Gina ba fit no gwedi. No.
Me de busy kakabo. Me stay here to video.
No gwedi.
I don't understand though.
No, that bros when stay with so now that bros go 50 hold on because that one update discipline. Now that one supposed 50 do but just that one thing why the problem one get be say the day when that bros not go dey maybe he go outside dance or anything. Who know whether Osakpolor not go still wrong because most of all of us now we not dey stay beneath like that we dey travel everybody dey
Osakpolor as he don't fit dey play music, dey play guitar. Your boss he go fit still play guitar now. That guy go teach her work now. That your brother.
He already dey teach am normally but the problem is say boy any man why I get am for me I say one day now wetin me dey talk no matter anybody wey wan take care of am one day he go make that person if he turn our brother tomorrow now if he turn our brother tomorrow now to bad person.
Bro said this one when you talk last now they go remember you when time comes that one aside. Domo sir we dey water. Yeah.
You too Mary Jerry.
See that account that account you know warrant name wey dey na that bros we dey with now go see the operator you know why as my papa still guy reach we still dey carry ATM still dey do one or two because we know the thing.
Una be bad children now why not dey do that kind of thing.
Yes, me I dey tell you because Osakpolor we no even guy we no wise na go say if they go open account for if na that bros na go see the operator you get na that bros na your account so that your brother so everything wey he do out of jealousy. That bros is jealous of Atene. I'm sorry to say this one. Now Osakpolor they want when they say make Atene come carry him and his papa put for house. Remember Atene is not his family member.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now they come to Osakpolor matter, they put Osakpolor, he get the way it is. Everybody don't know that one.
I know,
Everybody know
but
the way that one, the way it did. Now they come to Osakpolor matter, but I make everybody see the year.
One thing wey me all know. One thing wey me
You
all know.
understand?
Eh?
All
One
reason
thing wey
now.
me all know. One thing I know. I go see let Atene know tomorrow. Say everything wey that boy talk. You not supposed really take him because you suppose know say that boy don't for the stage. You suppose don't know say he not too or my bad or my day your for.
Wait. Now, una say make Atete not take wetin Osakpolor talk personal, but people for media don't take am personal. Wait, what I'm trying to say is that Osakpolor no be the talk. Now that una brother, I'm sorry to use. Now that bros wey dey with, now they talk inside Osakpolor because he don't lecture Osakpolor for inside house or lecture everywhere. Now, that your brother, he did that community for that burial that day. Why you not buy casket for his brother? Then you
No, that casket matter. That casket matter when everybody they talk, eh? That casket matter not be say a family want burn, they not burn. Now traditional way they take bury Papa Osakpolor.
which
You
is
see so. Now traditional way they take bury. Now so they take bury my grandmama. My grandmama there, they not use casket. Now so they take bury am with mouth. So the traditional way they take bury Papa Osakpolor.
my papa, mama, na so
I feel say you can't open up this thing now. May people may not know. May they not draw Atete again. Say where Atete not buy casket for her.
No, because if na casket those family want bear, therefore tell everybody, therefore call everybody. Only this bros wey there, so you know if you send money for the for casket, you go fit sell them now. So na traditional way they take bury Papa Osakpolor.
Bros, I
what I'm
want to
saying, that bros wey carry Osakpolor, so he don't say when he get Atete for men. This is just an opportunity.
I don't know about that one because na my own.
I just start here, say.
No, brother. The way the brother me go mudia wa mudia. In mama mudia me. A video le brother ni. A video le brother ni. Ogwe mi je bunia do tawe back Atete. A video le brother ni. Ogwe me na ise ve na.
Thank you.
Atete.
No, mommy agree you, me come yan way me. Anything, or even say life now, I make it an agree. Me come yan way. If no want do video, no na do na personal video. If Osakpolor decide to say he want stay with you, what did happen between Osakpolor and Atete before? Why did they tell social media? How do you know I call them understand? You do your best now. Make they see the work. Say Oven man say kino kaje before. You understand? So now what me tell them? Say me now they talk that thing again.
See question what I ask. Where the bury Osakpolor finish? Why Osakpolor don't go back? Why your brother don't call Atete?
I go dash
true to God, when my brother call me, he say Osakpolor say they go back again. I say pursue that boy. I say they go drag. No say Atete don't they drag our family name. I say they go now you they go drag your name.
Now wetin my bros you already talk. You say me pursue and go back.
Now say pursue. Now Osakpolor come. Listen, Mama, listen to me. Mama, listen to me. Now Osakpolor come tell me say me epala o waki wa meni la o eyan kume la o. Now me come say me no. Whoever want to stay, unless you want you to boy we video. We equal live ani. You understand? I ask a question. I will tell my brother say me pursue one. Osakpolor not get what you want. Nothing not be if they stay. Now you can't come village. You say no. That's why you can't do it. Why you can't do yourself?
Go back. Me can't go back. Me go back.
You understand? So when not they feel say maybe one or two, all those kind of things.
You the vex say people that they throw mats. I not support them all. That they throw mats for your family. But many platforms, some platforms, especially that Esther, they don't insult at the family tire.
No,
but na person born.
I
did that today. They not insult at the family. I did that platform. I did. They not insult the family. No, the mama they talk.
See,
maybe I not did that time. Maybe I not did that because me I did the time when I did. I see talk for that too. They not insult at the family. You understand?
What make I tell you, from tomorrow because today don't finish now. If anybody from media wanna tell them if they insult at it again, me I don't save your picture. My gele go waffle. We go saga.
You don't send my you don't send my picture.
Yes,
You don't send my picture.
Eddie, I don't say your own.
Mama, I beg, calm down.
Wait, you send my picture. As in, see, na my main profile be this one. Go carry my picture now.
Yes,
I'm being threatening. They tell now that kind of word.
No be
Saga me. I'll do this
Eddie,
one.
not be you. You talk well. If by ahead, don't Prince. Make I
Don't
talk
Prince.
wetin I talk with no dey. I
You say talk for your platform.
I say
I don't come out here.
I say
Very
from
good.
tomorrow they go now. You will just save your picture you go now.
Epa, not easy now, not easy now. Nothing will stop Epa, not easy now. Now so normally, now so internet be. Now so internet.
Unless na fake account you take day, now you take day this TikTok.
Epa.
You don't take my picture for waiting because I come out for my brother.
Epa, wetin I
Wetin
say
dey
now?
talk? Wetin dey talk?
Wait, I say
You say you don't take my picture, say
now.
if they insult Atene again. I mean, want tell people say me they know they talk about Atene again.
if they
I mean, what go tell
insult
them?
your family, we will come for you and your family. A picture where on the saga. Saga is there.
But not
Who
get
dey
no,
talk so?
madam.
Now, Miss Jerry.
Not get her for me and
Miss
say
Jerry.
the people where they insult
I dey come wait
Atete
first.
family.
Wait
We not
first.
send the message.
Wait first.
Not be Osakpolor
Wait
family
first.
insult Atete family. People when they insult Atete family, we not send the message. So that one not really too concern us. If there anybody, many people they insult our family, we not fair to anybody. We not fair to anybody since before I joined this live stream when my brother dey talk. I know many people they insult my family. I not even talk since I lock up. So if they insult Atete family, if anybody they insult Atete family, that one not really concern any of us.
Bro, you too correct. You get one.
I bet you said they calm down. You don't see the way this your brother say they joke, they laugh.
I
Then
just
you see they
tire
smile.
for her.
You see they smile. Not
Why
everything
you
you
go
take
keep
serious.
it everybody?
Not everything
No,
you
for
take serious.
evidence. I know. As in, I don't need disrespect, Baba. I don't disrespect anybody.
No, wait.
Carry my picture. I want this song. I mean, one man in me, self.
Mudia, Opiano, Rio Davan.
I worry. Mama, mama, man. I get everything, mama.
Oya, go on.
Madam, your way.
So mama, abobie, abi baba.
I don't
The
want
life is nine. Aware, I go on a one. I say no matter anything. Even media scene that don't not to see. You will follow up to see. A life now, no matter anything. I go on a one. I say only not go.
If I don't preach, I better bring me down. Why I walk?
Akie, wa aka no Osakpolor. Iya ka no Osakpolor si ewe. Igo ala kati Osakpolor wa ni go no hin. Igo ga say 200,000. Osakpolor ke ka. O we go ga say 200,000 we ye gwa kai.
Buggy.
Me wa no ga sta si ye. Me wa do me o si. Ega na tete na bi aroge no pa. Me be wo she. Ni ala be aroge sta ire wo she. Even if me ba wa, me me ti gun ave media. O we igo ga gbera 200,000. Wa aga ti na no wa afia latia. O we go ga gbera 200,000. O we igo na say 200,000 we ye ti kai. O we mi ya kai. Ekeni no be jive bede. Ekeni no be yi na wo she. Amevila kara kwa ba o me. Ameve.
I greet everybody. Pardon, Prince, I greet you, bro.
Ameve. Ona kara kwa ba o me. Okay. Agbobe every time ya. Iya rigo no Osakpolor si enya. Ede agbobe ni ana Osakpolor ni go no mie. Ton yata. 0.
Wabota o. Èmi o pa ni mi
Ba
ani.
kwa na sta. I opa di kere ma si wa mutu si ene ya. Gumete no ro. You understand? Ego no that accountable ni otuni. Ede agbewa wo na Osakpolor, no Osakpolor to ta. Unigo ni are no Osakpolor ton yata. Number 1. Number 2.
On a way, mommy, now 2 million they put for a cat.
Number 2.
Why are bad Daniel?
Mommy de omo no Osakpolor gwe. Edene de o mwe leta. Wa afnya e visionary. Oh, what make you be go
Neighbor, you
Osakpolo?
have control the distance. The boa.
Okay. Atete na ya here na hi. Ne put na no di Osakpolo you wanna Emi jana maveje. I'm here the story.
Kakabo.
Because why? Osakpolo you know push our stats. Yes. Because our time no she. Osakpolo why you know push our stats. Okay, Natana. Okay, what can open a catty? Osakpolo ni go no rakata o mi alati noti. Oh ma jevia go a control account ni. Ija what mag be man na ivia do ma in Nigeria. What call?
Where's AJ?
Aga tete na watana khere na hina we ogbatete ye sere sete amaki akati ne aga tete be ke akati ne Osakpolo ati ni go lo be akati ye okay ke na atamata me life na ijo mehi now me kwena wo ma be you understand as uwa a family Osakpolo uwa atuta nuwa ya idolo Osakpolo ji asi ana mopa ane no gwena we unu agwe ala lo sebe bume yeah
Ala wo.
unu agwe ala lo sebe bume ani opa budi to tayo wa dame o e no be sunu ona no gwena ribe do dragi keke because why omo no my 1 2 3 say 10 why ye ti gwa we life here no wane mi ozan
Ero wa
ologo waketo mata magbe ologo we eru no salopa no wo rebe no ma be ni Jesu
Contributor.
Mommy call him. I agree to. If I did not, I just call for. I agree to you, bro. I really appreciate the way you talk. You talk very matured. When you can send the request, you see. Ugele guave na no why. Ugele guave na baba. You know my agua. You know keke no my amwe jowa. Ugele ya amwe jowa. You see, when Otwega River na sina, I was really pissed off. When Oya Agua, my normal Osakpolo, no ro iti talking nairo. Even when Oya make him a gear, in my gear a comment section. Me mobile like the live job, my wife a gear comment section. My wa gear, you understand? And even we get none of ya digitally lave the street here. Imaga J20 naira ne aya back here. My ya be a beg social media now. Before a party take the mulawa, you understand me now. Here we bono here I know ma. I tell you want done. I tell you done. Or when no we me kere betu kaviyaje no arrive I know.
Yes now.
You understand? If you not say any na time na way. Bro team age Osakpolo. How ya women because all you woman are remote. Ahwe. Or what begedian, Yahweh, or begedian, and to tell me Baba no jeme, who was Osakpolo or my family matter webwe, Atete, no jatete la de we family we go. And gilly, echo mana Yahweh or mana you understand me now? So, the only thing I will beg you guys to do for us, any platform will not really me where I'm winning Atete Ladia. Wala wo wa send the request arriva we mama giwanu waje. We didn't invite you guys to talk in this issue. Mama when what ya buti ebo na tete egbi mano a family mano team ino or maybe no wa ya gun ajo he e mani ke drop e matani.
Yes.
You understand? Okay, we on not parade live video na tie bone Atete. E koki ari the family Atete. You see why most people were there nana nori we say no ma eriro te that doggy ba begbe because of just this kind of a thing. Osaloba when I went in Osakpolor or Magu or Makpaya Guna Rojiragu or Jibrit. Why imagine one way table and again what drop down Bagi so a now be say what the tega roy. We no 12 the about time where carry and go give our family. Carry and go no. E atete okeke no mwe bo any give family wa akeke no gwa le bo any gari o wa tete. We oti ma gwewe we say my brother any ma ke gwa lo madomi owo wa to time na say manari manawi mado to wa ipa we see agebe mi kinovi dia be too much hyper we see bi ma we una go appreciate that guy. You get the one now tell appreciate that guy la wo baba gebi akuso wa no be do ayema pe ni ma ke gwa lo Eko arere diga en wa kuria komede ovio ebo e mani ovio kan na yo bo paswa esi oviereji is just trying to do charity oh wow ni yete help family ni you understand wala wo my brother Eddie I will beg you so much because you really talk matured la your ball le matter na try no wa settle a matter na no by social media re and
yes I go try
reach a patete no wa nie we no love wo ke mani see e social media ke mani tie bon e social media no love wo no ya gbe we understand me na no ya gbe because it's so energy another do case no baluhe we understand that wo brother
Mama, where say the matter no is that ever since me no I date it talk but I not really know say things like this they go on because when imagine when we don't come up for family as so once we do the also like this now I want to pass what we call it I mean I take better then I be send you go wow anything so me really we buy me not gone. Now when me consider no, I will say I know right from 10. If I don't think for that contact Atene by myself, then make her understand say how far bro, say I go be, then see talk to some of our family. We see they inside this social media platform and we see those they educated, we see understand how they go for life. Say bro, when I see this kind of matter, say I want to be take down for this boy.
Bros, now we go mo plan ya get am near do mia mo bi go dia ke we no ma. Ibe o bi platform mo pa mi aga ta be na we ni ayari loja ne Osakpolor ya je police mu Atene.
Yeah. Where the abo wa na ya na mi owa.
Because if you no say
you met me Atene madam when time where ni ya je police mu Atene ige Atene o show ere Osakpolor ba mu ejo to ona post picture ni but wa Atene mare baba mu ejo to how manage Atene ya with video ni.
Thank you mama.
That's but I not really me not really know those one but the main matter when me go talk as far as say my brother Osakpolor fit talk say Atene support her and we see the evidence say Atene support her say he even carry Osakpolor reach that village so Atene dey there try so Atene no fit your follow am dey wetin me see to ti wa gwe arrive ani yake activities ya for family okay so me a to be me boy mama emi opa wata ye we agree mafia me you no ye emi opa wata I tried before the weekend man meet that my other bros when Osakpolor dey with because me not dey Benin but I go try come Benin man meet that my bros then if I meet her I go see tell them make the video whether na the bros platform we take the entire live stream I'll say make the entire live stream then may we see may they talk wetin see dey reasonable that way video no mama ni ave no posting in na no ya ta we suppose na tete mweriye back be others can you delete video the nonsense in me mark any by so then me myself go see by myself now I go see check find out reach Atene before I come out for if I reach Benin before I come out man for still meet Atene now say apologize to run so man for know from there I will come know what will be the next plan
exactly
to do Now we saw out it one.
Brother, that is what we just want for you guys. And from now henceforth, we're not be hacking have a TikTok, we're not making an attempt or get down. Wala go we no ya send the request to me, manana. Try no we send the request to me.
Domana we no.
Wala o manu wa kana go Osakpolor. Ovi ra me inu, ovi je me inu. Oh, it's my blood brother. La wo e mata na mama muju wa, but mama ka mu wa go Atete gbe o to anything to him.
Yeah.
Why chan was stopping ya because nula wo my brother because ya wo no ri be no money. Obo no fi be no money, o ma keke na fi for. Understand? Because o ma say no ye unibu e na later.
Yes.
Understand? Because u ga gebo e na oye we na Atete na pa keke we ti so du yin. Uga gebo na angelegele me na abego Osakpolor vege ni
Abota.
Aga go Osakpolor amwa me ni me nwo mo ti
Iwe me mio ime to be me ga go da o ime gbe
Abota.
Not to amosa.
Why abota?
Abogen.
La ya ti contribute ya.
Contribute my sister.
Ba ko ye ko mommy.
Come.
Osakpolor because idame o wa sin ina we okekeni be la on make na igbojo ime Osakpolor me kakabo wa ohun before me kivi la bovidian o understanding in sanana they said gbe o ko ve wo tubu e me wa stage o understand ga mi e me o ga ije better than la in social media be me Osakpolor with Atete I know we boy na saloba la no gbe na ti idai wa won me sanana so okiki na do me we o na be do pa ina hi o yo kan ina wo wa be sun ina we ina we aga na be ya mi ina be ho Atete we de gbe yari ina wo sawesi o ma understand ogbera Atete o ma paro no we ti Osakpolor you wa baba o ma paro no Osakpolor ati to take iyon kakabo o ma paro no Osakpolor ati to take kaka except banari no mave wa ono we gbe wa ri life no ka wa je because okabo wa ti mena wa rumena ede eri we Osakpolor we gbe pa ba tetere eri ato iko ato e vioga me wa je Osakpolor we gbe pa ona pa ba tetere life no ka wa je o kan we gbe wa ya la we me nta baba o kan wa gbe wa je o ma paro no ti Osakpolor wa we Osakpolor do tuta ero he may be surprised the way Atete na ti die ona gbu me mo si no gbe boy na wọ́n nta no rie na no wari gbin na Osakpolor gbin atota kina Osakpolor ti to ta Osakpolor a we gbe ari olia we gbe wa sonzozo
I would gbe ari jot oga
o wa we gbe sonzozo me ekeno jena duwa inu Atete yen ga Atete ri abe ekeno na ri abe wa ge we a epa ayo bovedian ma be ni se otun ni kere no we no ma ni se laho umani se ubona unyi se ubona la baba daji owo no tun we understand wa go
mama omo bi go jafe we no Atete ma ku yo wi eri jowo
e meka Osakpolor menu no ya ta baba wa to bo wa ta ma we ari ba
eti wi akwo no kian ma pa oga digo
ye egu mafia mejo no Atene no ka re ole na o color na kole o ma no gwe ona we no hwe we gbe normally ati Osakpolor we gbe Osakpolor we yen Osakpolor we gbe no ba Atete no Osakpolor ya ba Atete Osakpolor na ari ogwa pa bolia
o dunyo wa
o she for pa ogwa pa bolia video so o piani o ido call him o ido call Atene we gbe we lare Osakpolor re jam for like a day a bit 2 days now he no gree go where they go he no know wetin dey do those continue ado mwere win eri je kina Atete je o je ton me ni amu ana do Osakpolor we what's your when we je kina Atete je we your ga not do we no dey happy with your guy me na we who every man of Unai Bros anyway ire va ni ya gbubi on we no shut up o ma mi no ta but what
wa be gbubi averero o ma be ri oni o ma na wa
oh mama gbaso emaso ro ne o no ma be gba fo o be so be corrected rom emaso ugbeso so
o ma need to be Osakpolor dey encourage
because I don't really know where you go just come. I don't really know where you come. You just say you know they go back to Atete again. Then they ask you what happen. You not greet talk what happen. Okay. Say so. The thing not be and then the thing not really be there my family. I not be really there that my bros. And now Osakpolor you dey cause everything. I not agree go back. I not just green really go back. Not be say maybe or anything.
Woman not verse, I beg. Do well. Thank you. Because the way your brother, the way you take talk, you can't calm everybody down, you understand? Because even though say na water person give person for this life, or many over for the side, no one me around. You understand me? So inside there, so what me want to be say more talk the truth, no be say they insult your family. Every family large. Today your brother they defend Esther platform. Said he did they not cause Atete. Me did them when Esther start live video. I did them when they end down. They insult Atete family. They insult Atete. It not good because even when Atete call live video today,
hello,
call live video today, I watch that boy. Try. You know, not everybody. Every felt here, boy. Get some people will be saying, "Honor here, you win." It not good. You understand? So what I will try to tell be say, that your brother yours now. Even na try mona reach out to Atete. Even also Atete no as in the boy no wan go Atete place again. Mona you try reach out to Atete say make he rest. Una na go put stop. Make them not talk to Atete for platform again.
Me go reach out to Atete.
Because now your brother talk just say no concern. Even though say they concern, they no concern and not being said them. No. But if he come up, come defend the family, say nobody cause the family. But you don't feel leave another person make they cause Atete family because even Atete family is still large for their own. You understand? Yes, more tell ourselves the truth. Why Osakpolor no want go meet Atete again wanna pursue one? Because say he already know say now he don't offend Atete. He can't dey fear not to go that place. And your brother no still want make Atete make Osakpolor go meet Atete. Now if you tell her for his house before you call they call una say Osakpolor no want go meet Atete. More talk the truth for you.
Because I believe you because the boy a musician too. He want
to do kosher for his ass. Say he don't feel kosher before he call una say Atete no one go back to him master be the pursue am. Your brother don't feel kosher. More tell ourselves the truth.
Oh. Abota.
Aboke mago.
Yaje, waya. So, owo pa you understand? And you know, I have it tired for my own. You know, when Osakpolor me ma me one about again Atete yari me do ya follow ya. Wa give me up my agwan no my yani my tas ne mata eru wagun ya but ekeni mi agwan iwo ewu we wa je mi opare Osakpolor awo ya ta o ma ga push ewe gun abiyan
yes
wa ta mi o ni o o ma ga ta ma ewe gun abiyan ya wa ru video tire yan because even Osakpolor ga ta o ma gbafo o ma gbawunu you understand and le ba se wa ni agbon wa no ma ri agbon wa no ma si a family who will allow me anybody no over here Atete before money make conscience the reason wo even why o ma no over Atete ni here ti we na Atete u o ma nere we go for that matter o no manage wo wa no be to mo ko kami ona mi o re we wo na ri la wa ate fi ba e no ma wo e do ni ologo ta we Africa ologo ona ye bi e la wa and even me aye bita no concern Atete Atete na je bi Osakpolor la wa ba insult ni e mi be social media me atamu wewe oga I love no me davi okan oga e van why ge vani e ba no ya ni why ge we akedo isotoma wa eti gawe Osakpolor obi okan Osakpolor rie wa ge emenota gba egwa kigo do si waga kai forget oni ekeni mebe iwo iwe ana de gbe Osakpolor giga ni
Egidi bojabu
love no me dai oga eji and I'm telling you the truth.
Egidi that one dey. Nobody if not Omorokpa no kwerezu osef eberi mawe.
Papa emi opa ni mi aita mu wa na ewe wa si Osakpolor otion e wa gwa nigo gwa lebe lu mama gbon Osakpolor ya mu dia e we mi nitan o kan e ti bege o gwa lebe ne e mo Osakpolor mama gba e na ri ege na ya yin na ya seto e onyo e di matter because wagari ege ga na no mi so je mo since then not take your more o wa na ri ege o ite degbe take even no ka take all of wa ya bien
well
egidi e ma egi ku
wana ma no si ko wana egbo wana family Mario Osakpolor wa try wa gba ifopa nu wa ri eji ami kana gba ogo ma ami wa na ri e na ami wa na pay na no mo Osakpolor ohun mu dia ededo ma we nu wa ya settle with na because a life of your a life atete o ya gba ogo your canisis a trust in of me very equito no me o ya gba ogo your canisis. You understand? So I to me where about another terrain mo Osakpolor baby you are not love with social media o ma no dan le me na mu jana dan le o bi o kan o he we ta first afọ me jo nu. You understand? Even me agunu wa ni kini me wa begi wa ya imi atete wa ma ya imi atete o atete agunu ye be ade diowa u jere o kan river atete agunu ye be adiowa atete ki enti love baby o ka love the first time o ka enti love baby o ka love the first time wa yi ba ni ba no ya me yoduku wa
what's salobo adiba
the meeting oro we me to be me ase do we weekend na me actually ayedo. So I'll go, me will try and meet up with her at I go return. If you give me a number, I'll find location. Yes. I'll go able to tell her, me contact talk clear. Me with her, they may apologize to everybody. May the rest, may they not they insult the family, they insult Osakpolor family again. Say, make peace for rain.
Yes.
And I wait I go try to do. Me I say, me if I tell carry, we not carry again. Me make care only, but you only me have phone. That dog your boy with her. Yeah, me again. Me go my yes Muda man of Zozo Merihin. So idio waje agbona maile for da ayiri o ma no gun no pa ime o no yera agbon yeme o so na so yo be
even the Atete today talk am the Atete today talk I say no be Osakpolor he say no say no be Osakpolor dey talk am o he say the first word for him mouth Atete talk am he talk am for no get live video he say me dey not talk to Osakpolor he say no be Osakpolor dey talk wetin he dey talk he say that they tell am wetin he dey talk and really when that Osakpolor dey live video today if you look that live video wey Osakpolor do person dey side wey call dey talk to Osakpolor
na that brother wey dey stay with them
the person dey tell Osakpolor wetin he wan talk I dey see am e dey side person dey tell am you know say people your John Osakpolor may I tell you the truth bros you see that platform wey be say Osakpolor go so that woman John Osakpolor based on say the vex for Atete and no na make kana John Osakpolor if not be that woman no John Osakpolor because he know the truth when he yen yan we say no man gbin yen say Esther no interview Osakpolor ni he dey vex for Atete because Atete no give am a gift wey they are together play for live video he no give am a gift na make am
omo we no give
and he say dey vex for no give on person wey be say is dey reasonable omo go get dey reasonable back
maya no dawe live video na maya no we no taje o mana ni agbaku na support na yen we dey try dey support no pa ni ya we
and it's not fair mommy
make sense o ma kan me o kan me we we ezo aware wa time no je pa
o ma make sense
eni aja we
wa ya we see ye
brother di la o when my imu matter na your bono ethical she matter na la wo na brother won la o just try any platform we are facing our me anything we try just to bring them calm down when you allow when you calm down matter now phone video ni
ano awe atore
me no etina
Wesi ye wa ya wesi
Ise Bago go from tomorrow go ali no be Atete nu ti Atete personal.
Bros, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate the way you talk. I don't know that you hear me.
I hear you, bro.
I bet the boy that bros na ya gwan. Onagili, me, not Tamasi, I appreciate the way they talk.
Kakabo, pari meje me gwa mo mi ye ko e, o ma no gie me yan no gwa wa ku me hin. Be me do na ni me waje na from all those only ring road go Ekenwa road go. You not get no you know me because I mean I just see popular I be very person be say I dey like peace. Anywhere they like peace. Me not like how do I let you let remember but
bros, if you little wait to talk so see you win many people hearts.
Yes,
you win many people hearts. Now what you when we are going it's like walk bomb yes. Already see that character where your junior brother gets. Osakpolor, you don't already study the character where you get. So that is why you tell the whole world. Say, may they not insult Atene. Say, Atene try well. No matter anything. You understand me? So now what you tell the whole world.
I agree to now.
yes, now it's here talk.
I agree to also.
Yeah, the house get you.
So you talk about a matter now. Do ikpebo no koko wa na dakomu wara sandi me no matter iwedo ma wihi ana tete no we Osakpolor la wona we ga obi son pa mayakin wara stand and ibu eva no ro is that we o engineer Osakpolor ya do ki no doni because wa matter ni eta we atete ma obeyin e master wo ma obewe. You understand? So only na kawari mugie, and moreover,
brother,
Natete.
No
matter. Atete. We are one make a sense in na atebone. Again, Osakpolor na so far. Nobody no beg Osakpolor. Understand? Natete yari Osakpolor kegbe. What be egbe yana do?
Ukponi ejo keke makano.
None ye do sunu ne very na. Ukpe ave tiwe no. Okay, Oma boy Atete. Domestic we musician ave go Atete go wa Atete Oma otimana ogwo we o. De mechanic no o we mechanic. Understand? Obi alele Atete je iku de wi kere no. Obi ari ene no ya dupmo no anybody no we so ke miona. Ya dupmo miona ya ri wa because otek bana we go aga 100,000. Yes etika.
All of them follow.
So Atene no pa ni ne
follow everybody here. Follow everybody.
No here you wa. Igo na go Osakpolor awo ni je imati oji. Because also no na engineer Osakpolor. We get point here. Akati na we na we ke Osakpolor. Adubo we ke akati no Osakpolor eni go no rakati we na lati yare. We get point here. The only thing is anybody know we help Osakpolor. Can even here ke akati ne. Dige bae wo ke ara dige bae gu e ari ene no ya ari bae dukmo no we ya deje igbe no make na we na no ewi awe e wa ni oni contribute iwo wa domo
we se pa domo we se sa
we be ni go ere na ni ori ri o me no se ba na igwe gire beri oni mama ebe TikTok ebe Facebook eri oje igo ni waro paji Oga ikpe a story na bana that must be me obe awa diri ba yin
o too much say wiki na pa wa no this Saturday we are
yes, Miss Jerry.
I don't send you at the number.
Okay.
Una try.
Ya call be agbe.
Ti e pala wo.
Atete how you ma bere video na say Atete ma say no la video na no go.
Ma so igbo ero. Oh, you got a video senior. You a video with them.
If I do, Eken o woman I get more. Today when be said that they talk for that live video say why Atete no back casket. Ube a senior brother wedding on time where we ni malele no. Eria ya mama yo talk. He's supposed to talk that word.
Nadia, my bros for quench that matter for dear.
Yes, but you can't make the looks at it.
You know they get a lot now. You know talk. You know they get a lot now.
Talk that vaccination. Don't like my grandfather now. When they remain on PG men.
No, yes, sir. Not the coffee. No, yes, do.
No for me. Why am you talk?
No, I want more severe. This will be. And then Osakpolor, you may want no way. You may want Osakpolor with Osakpolor. Where you are, river. Atete no you do one good for you. They supposed to ask that question.
You know what? See,
me no Osakpolor, me to be me no Osakpolor be near there na we Atete o we for.
No be you.
Na we Atete o we for. O wa Atete ma we for. Na den we you we let na. What's so mana total. Away. I say everybody me na we emi no na ta ma gba na ma dey yo na make no be worry e me no worry here.
He just fait si Osakpolor
So
as his own son. Il a fait avocat Atete, il a fait. Ici Osakpolor.
No, wait. My quick turn now. That Jerry platform. My sister, wait. That Jerry platform wait for come out today. You no get talk what they say. Jerry fed the verse around number 1. Jerry wipe the verse around number 2. He say when Jerry and Atete they play game. You no get say go give Jerry 10 money gun. Say from there, Jerry wife started the verse for Atete.
Exactly. Yes. Not that day. Yes. Not that day.
This started the verse for Atete. So now, wait first, you talk.
You say Atete no give her a share. Atete no give her a share.
Wait. They say Jerry wife can go meet Atete for bar. Say me give her 2 money gun for his side. For the money gun we don't give her. But they
Nigeria. Now wow.
But they say Atete dey shop Osakpolor money.
No, now wait. Now let me talk. Here when he go.
No, let us talk now.
So now, a Jerry wife can go meet Atete. Say me give her 2 money gun for inside that 10 money gun we no give her. Bless Atete no give her. He can the verse for Atete. That number 2. Number 3, Atete can see go and no get platform, go the grant interview. So because of that one, there's no way they will carry go there. Even though say no get right, Jerry wife no agree me right there. Now they hear me so because they control the page. So you go do it in the way where say people go. You go do it the way people tell they insult and don't give. Now they understand what they talk.
Yes, they understand you. We there with you,
So now the thing we play today, that make us say not see justice for that the platform. So you see this platform, now see some justice here. The way at Osakpolor brass they take talk. Now see say difference. The one where they go do for their platform for Jerry wife. Difference day.
Yeah.
People where they understand will say difference day. So if you look Jerry wife on a hatred, join those things we can do today. Hatred.
And another thing, why me want man talk for the thing? I was Osakpolor too small. They do saga. They do all those kind of things. It's too small. May they let the small boy rest.
On your say man now we moody and if you get any platform where they for invite Osakpolor, you see opportunity to say you jammer. Say request there, say leave my brother alone. Stop this.
As a way when you literally asaga wa.
Udaleona otu. Okay, maybe in Revani or J1 a matter na for so. The only person that will quench this issue is where it's when all why go brosu gwani gwano mu phone Osakpolor ya live video.
I call on him back.
You understand? Because all the man am phone live Osakpolor ya live video. Me now only live video Osakpolor manare. I mean ke na ju pon go bahara. I mean no area. Because you lot
content. They fit come and do their own personal content.
Do their own content. They're not going to a live video to be talking about your family again or talking about Atete. They can do their thing on TikTok.
So they can come out and do their topic.
So you have to stop them.
Okay, go on. Go on.
No.
But yeah, go on, Lady Blessing.
Yeah, boy, call it labo.
Come on,
Oh, even you know, Eddie was sick of Osakpolor ya.
Sick of everything.
They will know him. They will know Osakpolor kere.
Hey, you Korean or no?
They can know you Korean.
Well, doable.
Okay, no. Because if you doable, regime him. They can't be Osakpolor. The Amage Atete Maya Atete Yai. Even though you are when the boy is that even we were Osakpolor a video no Osakpolor na fun we ubo rumi Osakpolor ga Atete ogeni hate a video ni na do adegbo to do a video keke ogi moto ni na be suwe ni na be suoma ni na moto ge Atete ya suoma oga Atete ogeni yemu moto enyo yo ya muwa Ifo yenya
Madam.
Oni say madam come.
Ide mudia de no ni se mudia. Even when ni buna tage. Iya na no wo status ya gyan 100,000 Osakpolor to e baka. 100 yan no Osakpolor. 3 million o ma no Osakpolor. Osakpolor 3 million ka la account we wa e baka. Osakpolor na mi ko na e ye baka. Any mana se mana ya do atage 100,000.
We 500 Osakpolor ka to Osakpolor atike 500,000.
Ane atete na
We 500,000 Osakpolor to
Mona let peace reign. I beg. Mona let peace reign.
Mama,
waya even like akemi wono fi right no ma olo wa maga te ma yo yai but okay ni na no do hate drama ni ya video ere ni
no be content lady bless you know wetin be content
Mama babuti na re wa. E no isi Osakpolor na do wa just that because they want na. Ye me nya ya. O si yin na idu agwa na.
Mama,
ye ko ye.
Iyan mi mu jaya no water pa. O ma ne ra wu, o se mu di avia bi to de fian wo to ni je wu.
Onya kan daso.
Una matter for ye wala wo.
Osakpolor iwa to ni lagele jaji.
O ta na se jaji wa Osakpolor momo.
Demune, we am ya we demune wala wa Osakpolor ye wala wo wala. Osakpolor demune ne iti bo avie wala.
Brother, sister, bros mujane, mama, sister.
Ma
ọmọ náà ìwà resign nẹ́gà tẹ̀tẹ̀ ọwọ́ ìyá fi mọ́tò nù yà gbọ́n wa wà.
No, ọmọ gẹ́nà yà gbọ́n wa wọ́n lágẹ́nà yà mú mi ló yà mú mi lè Osakpolor yà tẹ̀ àbẹ̀ náà tẹ̀.
Sister Lawo.
Sister
Mujane Lawo.
Ọdún wa sẹ́yìn ló sàbọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ wájà ẹ̀ mẹ́ba tàbí kọ́sọ̀ hàn mí lọ́wọ́ ọ̀.
Gbọ́dọ̀ wájà ṣé wọ́n yà tẹ̀tẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ kìlẹ̀ ní
àgbo ẹ̀gbọ́n ọwọ́ ọkùnrin yẹn fún ẹni yẹn fún
mama, madam, ẹ̀mí power no way, ẹ̀mí power no. Anything ni Osakpolor to platform. Any and Osakpolor to platform. We have believe. We have every year we have pick. Every year Osakpolor go fi moto. Ama we ta ba mu shine your but we no have moto. They not take moto. So I beg, no make everything calm. A peace in my